Good afternoon, everybody. It's Thomas here at ReCar in Halifax. It's a beautiful sunny day here at Sackville Drive, and what an amazing time to find yourself a new vehicle. We're ready to make a deal. I'd love to buy your car, and I'd love to find you the perfect new vehicle here at ReCar and show you how car buying should be. 30 minutes approvals with an increased value on your trade-in. Deferred payments up to 90 days. Prepaid maintenance packages. Discount on tire and rim protection. Discounts on undercoating. These Nova Scotia roads. Am I right? And we're not done. Interior and exterior protections. Complimentary, no obligation, pre-approval financing with one of the best teams in the entire industry. An amazing suite of vehicle protection plans to protect you while you're on the road. So come down and see us here at 350 Sackville Drive. Check out our amazing selection of vehicles. We got over 100 vehicles for sale right now, over 400 in the auto group available throughout Nova Scotia and New Brunswick. And let me show you here at ReCar how car buying should be.